Hey guys, it's your boy Active Lex, and I'm back with another bang. It's your favorite natural bodybuilder. Yes, I said natural because the other ones are made in China. They're counterfeits. Shout out to China though. But yeah. All right, guys. So we're hitting side delts. We're doing this for like 4 sets to 10 reps. Go as heavy as you can. Going heavy doesn't mean going 50 pounds. If you can do 50 pounds, do it. But this is like accessory movements, and you really don't want to go too heavy. You don't want to hurt yourself. You want to make sure you're squeezing on each rep, though. Make sure you're squeezing on each rep. I'm just going to keep on whatever that word is, reiterating or whatever. You know what I mean. But yeah, we're going to keep doing that and making sure you squeeze. That's the way my shoulders they look so much bigger than what they are, is by hitting these side, rear, and front delts. Yeah, man. So now we're gonna hit the machine. And when you're using a machine, you really wanna bring your arms up. Lead with your elbows, right? As you can see, we're leading with the elbows, and you really wanna squeeze those shoulders. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. I'm going real heavy for about 10 reps, guys. 10 reps, 4 sets. And we're going to increase the weight and get that 10 reps. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll be back with another. Boy, if you don't...